इसी असना में इन्हीं दोनों तीनों सालों में अगर आप नोटिस करें तो पाकिस्तानी ब्रांड्स कई खत्म भी हो रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, आप लोगों ने शीरी महल की मिठाई खाई होगी। अब आप शीरी महल की मिठाई किसी घर ले जाने को पसंद करेंगे या निराला की? इट्स गॉन। एंड द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दे डिडंट एक्सेप्ट दैट चेंज। मिठाई तो वही है, वही गुलाब जामुन है, वही सब कुछ है। सो आई थिंक जो जिस चीज को जनरली हम प्रॉब्लम समझते हैं, दैट इज एक्चुअली द अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू रिजॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम, यू आर अ ग्रेट एंटरप्रेन्योर। चाहे वो आप डिजिटली कर लें या अनडिजिटली कर लें, नॉन डिजिटली कर लें। सो इन्हीं 2-3 सालों में बहुत सारी डिजिटल स्टार्टअप्स हैं, इंडिविजुअल भी और कंपनी भी। Rosie.pk इज अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल, जिन्होंने पिछले 2-4 साल में एक पाकिस्तान में वैक्यूम था जॉब पोर्टल का, they've got it. So it's now a sustainable organization in itself with few hundred employees all across Pakistan. So I think, I'm sorry if I've answered this correctly. Dr. Bagra.
Thank you. I recall the statement of Deepak Chopra. He said there are no accidents. There are certain facts which are not revealed to you yet. So कोई recession नहीं है, कुछ हादसा आता है जिसके अब असरात को पॉजिटिवली रजिस्टर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। ये मेरी परसेप्शन है। मैं तायद करूँगा अपने वर्सेस पार्टिसिपेंट मिस्टर फैज सियाल का कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और कॉलेजेस रवायती किताबों से बाहर निकल रहे हैं। और इकबाल ने आज से 100 साल पहले 2 शेरों में लाहौर में 2 शेर लिखे थे इन्हीं मकतबों के, जिसके हम सब पढ़े हुए कि शिकायत है मुझे खुदाबंदाने मकतब से, सबक शाही बच्चों को देते हैं खाकबाजी का। अगर मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी जो यूईटी लाहौर है, मैंने अपने ग्रेजुएट्स को क्लियरली कह दिया कि अगर आप नौकरी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं तो दिस इज द रॉन्ग प्लेस टू कम। जस्ट कम, आई एम हियर टू शेक यू, बेक यू एंड थ्रो यू द ओशन full of crisis, full of problems, and every crisis and problem is nothing but opportunity for you. ये मेरा मैसेज अपने यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है और यही रहेगा। इकबाल ने एक और शेर में यही बात कही कि गला तो घोट दिया है मदरसा में तेरा, कहाँ से आए सदा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। तो सदा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह इज नथिंग बट डिजायर फॉर इनोवेशन। 360 बुतों के मुकाबले में एक बुत इज इनोवेशन, दैट इज खुदा की बात आती है। ट्रस्ट और वो जो डायनामिज्म है वो स्पार्क है, अगर यूनिवर्सिटीज कॉलेजेस दे रहे, सो दे आर सिंपली मेकिंग मनी एंड दे शुड बी क्लोज्ड। इन पीरा ने कलीसिया को कलीसिया से हटा दो बस।
थैंक यू सर।
Any more questions?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। अभी मेरे राइट साइड पे दोस्त बैठे हैं, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन किया था ड्रैगन्स के बारे में। उनका असल में क्वेश्चन ये था कि पाकिस्तान में अगर किसी के पास आइडियाज़ हैं किसी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, तो क्या कोई ऐसा इन्वेस्टर है जो उनको सुने और उनकी जो है वो फिजिबिलिटी को चेक करके इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सके? तो मेरे ख्याल में अभी जवाब नहीं मिल सका इस चीज़ का।
सॉरी मैंने अजील का हाईजैक कर लिया माइक, बट जस्ट टू गिव यू वन क्विक आंसर टू दैट, अगर आप ड्रैगन्स और यूज पर्सपेक्टिव से फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल वेंचर कैपिटल पर्सपेक्टिव करें, जिस दिन
we are doing a conference with the name of TiECon Global in October in Lahore. TiE Lahore is presided by Monis Rahman and I am one of the charter members of TiE Lahore. 500 entrepreneurs from Pakistan and 100 entrepreneurs from the world are participating in the conference. There would be 28 acumen funds of the world looking towards these ideas in kya baat kare. So be there. These are the opportunities jahan pe aapko hona chahiye. Thank you.
Thank you. I'd like to add on this point that there are too many companies, too many people who are looking for great ideas to bring in. In short, probably they're not available or accessible to everyone. But for example, microfinance banks are there, Amir Bank, small enterprises. Investors are there, they're looking for good ideas. So if you have any, I think it's just that you should look into the opportunity. Like SMEDA is a great platform. We were talking about the draconian opportunities in Pakistan. I won't say, my friends have already mentioned about Hyperstar, Macro, Metro. Though they are new names, few of them you people know about it. But I'd like to add one thing only. Just look at this threat, security threat in the last 3 years that any nation in the world has seen. Simultaneously, it has become the biggest opportunity for the security companies. There are too many security companies. There are new companies coming up providing security solutions to the system. Even in our company, we have enhanced the security budget 200 times in the last 3 years. So there are no restriction to the new idea. It's just you have to hit it at the right time. That's it.
Thank you.
We have, I like to add one thing here. I think I am a big spokesperson for being optimist. But we need to understand what is the meaning of word optimist. Optimist is not being unrealistic. Unfortunately, we have a trend. And the trend is that once we like to say something, we go to the other extreme at the cost of the truth. आज मुझे, if you come to me and tell me that the market is same what it was 2 years back, I'm sorry, I'm not going to buy that. Why? Because the statistical figures are telling you. Per capita income is telling you. The tight monetary policy is telling you. The credit which was available in Pakistan 2 years back, the same credit is not available today. So no matter how optimist you are, I'm sorry, you are not going to get as much funding or financing available to you right now in these difficult times. But there is an opportunity. And what that opportunity is, that is the positive side of it. That is what I call being optimist, being realistic and then being optimist. What is that? Okay, 2 years back, every Tom and Dick and Harry was receiving the fund and finances available. Now your project needs to be very good, exceptionally good, and you need to do your homework very good, very well. Only then you might find a financer to fund your venture, fund your proposal or entrepreneurship idea. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. So we have a question here.
Sorry, एक चीज मैं ऐड कर दूं. Sorry, मैं recession को I generally take it as rationalization. So recession is जो अभी जहाँ पैसा निकाल के वो बहुत ज़्यादा every Tom, Dick and Harry was getting everything. तो एक point market में आता है जब आपको थोड़ी सी filtering करनी पड़ती है, छांटी करनी पड़ती है. So recession in Pakistan, I think we didn't get the recession part, but it was more of rationalization. That things were streamlined optimally as they should have been in the first day actually.
Of executive MBA, and where my question is, there is an overflow of job candidates, job applicants in the market today, with relevant qualifications, good communication skills, high level of confidence, zeal and fervor. What, according to you, explicitly gives a job candidate the cutting edge over the rest? And my question is from Dr. Faiz and Mr. Badr. Thank you.
I'm in the favor of actually exploring new opportunities as compared to exploring new jobs. और opportunity आपको खुद create करनी पड़ती है niche which is not there. Job is always there और उसमें obviously competition होगा और there will be certain defined things. But I think I'll leave it to Adil and Faisal to better address this.
Again, I think first of all, be realistic. There are job cuts going on everywhere. There is a ban on the new recruitment. However, having said it does not necessarily mean that there are no job opportunities available. People are in the position and are always looking for replacing their talent for better one. It means that the competencies which was something additional, competencies used to give you a little edge over others. All these basic competencies, interpersonal skills, interpersonal relationship, ability to make friends, good friends, ability to persuade, motivate. Now, they are the standards. They have become the standards. Now, people are looking, at least my few clients I have talked to, they are looking for people with multiple tasking choices. Somebody I can groom who can do the work of 3 people. So please make sure that this is at this difficult time, if you become so specialized and so focused that you're looking for that particular type of a job in that type of an industry, in that sort of a job, that might not be possible. However, if you are available for taking chances and trying to convince people and show the flexibility to the interviewer, and I can see that spark in your eyes, that you are the long-term potential of this company and you can maybe help me getting rid of 3 undesirable other people, then I would say that is a plus.
I would like to add to this. I'm also a HR consultant. I'm heading the Lahore HR Forum right now. Given the experience I have in Pakistan so far, we are very blunt in saying this, that we hire for attitude. We train for skills. So we don't need your skills primarily, we need your attitude. So if you have the right attitude, you would be able to go through. The problem here is that we go with our resumes highlighting our CGPAs. And when I ask them in the interview, what is your best subject? They say it is marketing. And ask them to define marketing for me. They are not able to do so. If I've asked you, what are your 5-year plans? They have not even thought about 5 months. But that's not the answer actually. You see, I would like to know what are your future plans, and life is not detached from career, remember this. There has to be some work-life balance in your answers. If that is not there, I'm not going to hire you. Secondly, the personality of the person should be sharp enough, smart enough, dynamic enough to impress somebody. If you're coming up not properly attired, if you're coming up not properly knowledgeable about the market, about even the general knowledge of your country where you're going to operate, you are not the right candidate. That is something you really need to look into. Please do not spend time on your books only. Read the newspapers, read the good magazines. You should have the right knowledge and some unfair advantage to sell yourself. Otherwise, you're right, we get thousands of applications every day. And CGPA is not the only criteria.
You see the point I was making earlier. This is the point. That the competencies, the skills, he started by saying that we value attitude. But his definition of attitude also included the